Kia Motors has officially unveiled the 7-seater version of the popular Sonet compact SUV in Indonesia. The SUV will first launch in Indonesia, which will be followed by other international markets. The 5-seater Sonet is already on sale in Indonesia. The Sonet on sale in Indonesia sits about 4 meters in length as it measures 4,120 millimeters. The Indian spec Sonet sits under 4 meters, measuring 3,995 millimeters. Both models measures 1,790 millimeters in width, 1,642 millimeters in height, and offers a wheelbase of 2,500 millimeters. On the inside, 7-seater Sonet gets features such as full-color digital instrument display, 7-speaker Bose sound system, 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ventilated front seats, rear AC vents, LED ambient lighting and wireless charging. It also gets an additional roof-mounted blower. The 7-seater Kia Sonet comes equipped with UVO connected car tech as standard. It offers multiple connected car features across different categories such as safety and security, navigation, remote access, etc. In the Indonesian market, 7-seater Sonet will utilize the same engine as that of existing 5-seater Sonet. The 1.5-litre DOHC SmartStream dual CVVT unit churns out max power of 115 PS at 6,300 RPM and peak torque of 144 Nm at 4,500 RPM. It is mated to either a 6-speed manual or IVT transmission. In terms of safety, Sonet 7-seater is likely to get the existing set of features such as multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, rear view camera, rear parking sensors, electronic stability control, and tire pressure monitoring system.